What is the fastest way to increase my credit score? Look, this is a frequently asked question I receive when someone is applying for a mortgage. Maybe you're a few points too low, you want to put a contract on a property, purchase a home within 30 days, so that window of opportunity is small. We're going to answer that question by bringing in my go-to guy, Jonas Mitchell of Scribble. But before we get him, help me out, subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure to click that bell to get notified. Also, like my page and follow me on Facebook as well as following me on Instagram. This is a very popular question, and we are going to answer that starting right now. Hey, Jonas, thank you so much for helping us answer some frequently asked credit and credit repair questions. And one that I receive often when someone's coming in, they're calling me on the phone and saying, hey, Rod, I want to purchase a home. We check out their credit and their credit score, and we notice that they are a few points from where they need to be. So this frequently asked question is, what is the fastest way to increase my credit score?
Sure. So the fastest possible way that you can increase your credit score is by increasing your credit utilization. And what I mean by that is, in order to maximize the credit utilization score, you multiply whatever your credit limit is by zero point 0.3. Anything that's above that 30% range is going to lower your credit score, and anything that's below it is going to show positive. So the easiest thing you can do if you have credit today, so let's say you've got some credit cards that are maxed out and you need to get some points fast, pay that down as quickly as possible, and you can see um, uh, improvement within, let's say, a week or so. It depends on when your next reporting date is, but we've seen it happen in as fast as a week. Now, let's say you don't have any credit cards whatsoever, then what you need to do is you actually need to increase your credit utilization. And the way that we increase your credit utilization is by actually opening up some credit accounts underneath your name. So there's a couple of ways that we can do this without taking major hits from hard inquiries. One's going to be you can go to your bank that you currently do put your checking and savings in, and you can ask for a secured credit card. And so all you're going to do is you're going to walk into the bank and say, hey, I want to open up a secured credit card for $500. You give them $500 cash. They hold on to it for as long as that credit card is open. Then whenever you close the credit card, they'll give you your $500 back. So what that does is you can then start using that credit card to charge on it, making sure that we keep it under 30%. Matter of fact, I wouldn't even spend anything on it. Maybe get some gas and then pay it off.
Right.
And then that's going to improve your credit utilization. If you don't have a bank that you're currently working with, I recommend going through Open Sky, which is a Visa credit card. You can find them online, simple Google search. Do the exact same thing. You deposit the money, they give you the credit card, and then you start using it, keeping your utilization down so that you can improve your score. Another thing you can do is you can go through, I will recommend 3 accounts, and usually our clients have to pay for this. I'm going to give it to you guys free today. So one is going to be Hutton Chase, and Hutton Chase will give you up to a $1,500 credit limit. What you do, and this is for all 3, you basically purchase a subscription for $99, and then you have to purchase an item from the site, and they're going to give you that full credit limit. So $1,500 for Hutton Chase, and then the other 2 are New Coast Direct and My Jewelers Club. So you can Google those and find them, or Rob will put them in the link below. And all you have to do is go to those sites, pay the $99, purchase one item, and they'll give you up to $5,000 credit limit. So you can actually improve your credit utilization by as much as $11,500 like right now, just by going to these sites and making those purchases. So if you're someone who has no credit and you need a way to build some credit, this is the absolute best way that you can do it. The final way I'll give you, Rod, is this. If you don't want to go those 2 routes, there's something called self-lender. And with self-lender, basically you just tell them that I want to open up a savings account. You tell them how much you want to save. So let's say you want a $2,000 savings account. They're going to open up that $2,000 line of credit, but you're going to make payment towards that. So you essentially have to pay off that limit. So you'll pay $15 or $25 per month, all the way up to $2,000. That information is going to report to the credit bureaus. So you're building credit that way. And lastly, Experian Boost. So any bill that you have right now, you can actually turn that bill into a credit payment, positive credit payment on your Experian credit report by going to Experian Boost, showing them the proof, and then they'll go ahead and add that to your credit report, and that will boost your score as well. So this is absolutely the fastest way that you can get points right now, or at least let's say within the next week, to boost your score.
Hey, Jonas, thank you so much. If you're watching this, I have included the links to everything Jonas just mentioned in the description below. So just to recap, pay your balances down on your credit cards to below 30% of your credit limit. Or if you don't have enough available credit, follow Jonas's step-by-step instructions for increasing your available credit. Jonas, thank you so much for taking time out of your schedule to help answer these credit questions.
Sure, my pleasure.
Now we're going to do something that we didn't get to do yesterday.